I asked Gemini to give me the topic.
Who is Gemini?
Gemini app,
Oh,
AI app, Gemini.
Gemini
Uh,
app, which is an AI app. Hello, how
now,
are you?
hello. Yeah, fine. How about you?
I'm also doing fantastic. So you were trying to connect and you had opened Zoom app, right?
Yes, yes. I started again. I switch off my Wi-Fi and switch on my mobile network. Then it work.
Okay. So tell me, did you have breakfast?
Yes, yes. I have did
Hmm.
the breakfast.
Okay. So
Thank you for first of all. Thank you so much. You have spared some time for me.
you're welcome. You're welcome. And was your morning very busy?
Now, yeah, little bit busy. I have two daughters, so I have to send them schools, and I have to prepare breakfast and all, and do the household chores.
Okay.
That's why it was little busy.
Okay. Your full name is Neelam Karkot.
Rawat.
Neelam Rawat.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Hmm. So Neelam, please
Before
tell me.
marriage,
Yeah.
it is Neelam Karakoti. After marriage, it became Neelam Rawat. It became.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, I don't know anything about you. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. My name is Neelam. I'm basically from Punjab. Currently, I'm residing in Mumbai, and I am mother of two children. And nowadays, I have been learning English language to improve my communication skills. That's all.
Okay. So how old are your daughters?
My elder one is 11 years old, and younger one is 4 years old.
Okay. So you are passionate about learning English.
Yes, yes. Now I give it thought that I should learn the English language.
Okay. So
So I'm trying to learn it.
how did this passion get ignited in you? I mean, how did you
Uh,
start learning English?
yeah. Firstly, initially I was a teacher. Then I took a career gap, and now I'm thinking again that I should resume my career. So I did. I gave an interview. So in interview, uh, I am rejected. You can say I am not able to grab that opportunity because my communication skills are not so well. So from that day, I thought I should work upon my communication, English spoken, everything.
Okay. So you gave the interview for a teaching job in school.
Yeah, in schools.
So you wanted to become English teacher.
No, no, no. I'm maths teacher.
Okay. So you wanted to apply.
Maths.
You wanted to become a maths teacher, and earlier also you worked as a maths teacher.
Yes, yes. Earlier, I worked in Punjab as a PRT teacher.
So after marriage, you left the job.
After marriage, you can't say we got transferred in Mumbai, and in the meantime, my younger one has born, and then I dedicate myself to my family. Now she is old enough that I can think about resuming my career.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah, whichever subject you have to teach, you still need to be a good communicator, even if you have to teach math.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. That's why I'm lacking, and I want to work upon that.
because maths teachers also have to explain the concepts in English, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
Yes. Actually, in Punjab, this is not so much required, but in Mumbai, this is very much essential thing because students not intentionally, when we are teaching intentionally, they are not learning consciously. Unconsciously, they also perceive us from many things. So we should always say right words,
Correct, correct.
always right, so they can understand. And sometimes they imitate us. That's
Hmm.
why.
And if teachers speak wrong English, then what will happen to the children, isn't it?
Yes, yes. So it's our responsibility, not for cracking the interview, it's our responsibility to speak right in front of the kids.
That's a very good thought because many teachers are just after getting the job. They are just there to get the job. When did you shift to which is this place?
Mumbai.
Yeah. So
Mumbai.
when did you move to Mumbai?
We moved in 2018, around 2018.
Okay. So it's been around 6, 7 years. How are you liking it in Mumbai?
Yes. It's going pretty good so far. I
So
don't
do
know.
you think Punjab was better?
Everything has some pros and cons, you can say. And sometimes Punjab is better. Sometimes I feel Mumbai is better in terms of safety, you can say, in terms of education. And because of the apartment, Punjab is better. The
Ah,
here apartment is smaller than as compared to Punjab. And weather, I like the Mumbai weather, but I also like the extreme cold weather also. So I miss that weather also in Punjab.
okay. So you like the climate of Mumbai and you used to like the apartments of Punjab, right?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Okay. And
They
do
were very huge.
okay. And you think Mumbai is much safer than Punjab? Is it so?
Yes, I prefer. I have seen especially for girls, they can move freely, they can go on their own. In Punjab, we always seek for someone go with us like this. Here, we can go ourselves. We do not need anyone to be with us.
Right, right. So your whole family
Yeah.
lives in Punjab, no?
Yes, yes. My maternal and paternal family lives in Punjab.
Okay. And your husband's family is also in Punjab.
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
Also in Punjab.
So you moved to Mumbai because of your husband's job, right?
Yes, because of her husband job.
So his job is transferable.
No transferable. He took another job.
Okay, okay. He changed the job.
Yes, yes. He
Mhm.
changed job.
Okay.
That's why.
So were you reluctant to move from Punjab to Mumbai, or you were very happy?
Uh, I don't know about this. We are sometimes we think let's move to our place, but when we see the so much facilities in Mumbai, then for the education, mostly as it comes to education, we love to stay in Mumbai
Mhm. Okay. Was it a love marriage?
for kids. No, no, it is arranged
An
marriage.
arranged marriage. Okay. And your husband's family is also there. They all miss you a lot, isn't it?
Yes, yes, we also miss them a lot, but we twice a year we visited our hometown.
And you always visit them twice a
Ev-
year.
ev- yes, yes, every time we visited twice a year.
And how old was your elder daughter when you moved to Mumbai?
She was around 6 years old.
Hmm. So was she okay when you moved here, or she was like, I don't want to go to another place and I will have to leave my friends, my grandpa, grandma, and all that? Or she was completely okay with
Yeah,
it?
no, no. She initially she was facing lot of issue, and
Hmm.
we have no friends here and no family here. But later on, gradually she adjusts herself. Every kid adjusts herself in the new
So she has
surroundings.
now adjusted to these surroundings and this, I mean, she has adjusted to this new place. Has she made many new friends here now?
Yes, yes. Now she has many friends. The kids have many friends. They are enjoying.
And the
They
younger
love
one
to go
was
Punjab also.
okay, they
Yes,
love to visit Punjab as well.
yes, yes. They were waiting. They are always waiting for holidays, and we have to go there.
Younger one, she was born here only. So she has,
Yes,
I mean,
yes,
she was born here only, no? Mhm.
yes. She
So
born in
she doesn't
Mumbai.
know much about Punjab. She only gets to see Punjab whenever you visit, right?
Yes, yes, yes. When we visit, then she see everything. But she also like the terrace area, and she always on the terrace area. Here we miss in Mumbai. There is no terrace area.
Oh, okay.
So
In Punjab, there is no terrace area?
no, in Punjab there is terrace area, huge
Okay.
terrace area. In Mumbai we have no terrace area, so they like to their terrace area always.
Okay, I have
They
heard that
like to go terrace area
houses in
and
Mumbai are very small because land is so expensive that the houses are so small.
yes,
Is it true?
yes, houses are so small. Yes, yes,
Okay. So, do you live in a society? I mean, do you have an apartment?
yes, yes. We have an apartment. We live in a society.
So it's a gated society. I mean, there is a big gate.
Yes, yes, it is a gated society.
So I have heard that they celebrate all the functions, all the ceremonies, all, I mean, everything together. So does it happen in your
Yes,
society?
yes. In our society, in this society, earlier we lived in another society. There happened these. They celebrate every type of functions there.
Hmm.
Mostly that Ganesh Chaturthi, Ganpati
Okay.
festival.
And in
Okay.
this society?
Yes. In this society, they celebrate Republic Day, that 15 August, Independence Day mostly.
That's it.
And mostly, we live in a Christian colony actually. They
Okay.
mostly celebrate Christmas. Christmas celebrations
Yeah.
are very,
Okay.
yeah, very much prevalent, and very huge celebration of Christmas was
Okay.
held in here, is
So
held
they
in here.
celebrate Christmas in a big way because most of them are Christians.
Yes, most of are the Christians.
Mhm.
So they are celebrating their festivals in a big way.
Mhm. Okay. Uh,
Yeah.
do you remember which questions they had asked you in the interview when you went for the interview?
Yes, there are common questions actually. One of the question, they in their office, one kid has come, and the teacher has come to complain that he is not submitting his project. I informed his parents. He said, "Mark me absent. I will not do the project."
Hmm.
And and the teacher gave me that situation. What you will do in that situation?
Okay.
So
So what did you say?
yes. That time I can't gather my thought actually. Later on, I think over that I can give more good answer. But at that time, I gave the answer like we need to be patient, and patience. I use a patience word actually. We need to be patient. We are patient. We can get right the things like this. But later on, when I gave it to a thought, I can say that we should first see what are the basic problem, why the student is reluctant to that project, the problem related to their basic problem, he is not getting the basic concepts, or he has some another problem. We have to first identify his basic problem, why he is reluctant to do the project. That thought I can gather later on, but at the spontaneous I have to speak, I am speechless. That's why
Okay.
that day I thought I will work upon my communication skill.
Even if it is asked in your mother tongue, that what will happen if
Yes,
a child
yes,
says that, even then it is difficult to think, isn't it?
yes. Actually, we yes, yes. Spontaneously, we can't speak because we are not habitual of speaking on various topics. Now, if I'm trying to speak on various topic, I'm when I'm trying speaking practice with Gemini. So when I'm trying, I asked Gemini to give me the topic.
Who is
Randomly give me the
Gemini?
topic. Gemini.
Who is Gemini?
Gemini app.
Oh,
AI app, Gemini.
Gemini
Uh,
app, which is an AI app. I have heard about it for the first
uh,
time. Okay, you speak to.
yeah, my daughter has told me. I also don't know. My daughter has told me, "Mom, use this. Everyone is using this in our class."
Oh, is it a free AI app?
uh, yes, yes, it is a free. It's a Google Assistant Gemini app.
Okay. So you do your speaking
So
with this app.
yes, yes, I'm doing it.
Okay, okay. Now tell me what you were saying.
Yes, when I asked him to give me a topic, it today in morning I have practiced this one of the topic. What are the social media effects on mental health? He gave me the topic, but spontaneously, but I have to say I am lacking at that. So I think I have to be in that situation many times so that I can think more clearly, or more precisely. I can put forward myself to another in front of the another person.
So now you have all the time. Now you just think over it and tell me, try how will you
Yes.
try to identify the basic problem? Let's say I am that child who says that mark me absent, I am not going to do this project. How will you handle this situation? I am that child. Now try to find out the basic problem.
Okay. Like a project is about budget, planning a budget. Okay. I have taught a concept of plus addition and percentage discount. Okay. Then I have told just to him, you have to submit the project. I am organizing a event, and this much budget I have planned for the event, and you have to plan a budget for it. When he was not doing the not doing the project, I have to look up on the basic things. Does he know about addition? Does he know about subtraction? Or maybe he is facing difficulty in percentages. I will break down the whole concept into smaller steps. If he had some problem in percentage, I
No,
will
no,
clear
no.
that concept.
You have to ask me and find out the problem first. Then only you will work on it. Na? So now you talk to me. I
Okay.
am that child. You talk to me and find out the basic problem first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes it may work. If this may not work, then we have to go to the second trial. The second trial, I thought that give the responsibility to the child. You have to make a list of the child. Those have done the project, mark the tick before their roll number, after their roll number.
Okay.
So if the child gets responsibility, I think he wouldn't like to put cross after his roll
Against.
number. So I think he will try to do the project. At that time, if he face any difficulty, he can approach me, and I suggest him, if you face any difficulty in doing project, you can consult me. And if this much comfort the student has got, I think we won the battle.
Correct, correct. This is very powerful technique that
Correct.
you give him the task of noting down the
Yes,
names and put a tick or cross against each name. Then he won't like to
yes,
put
yes,
a cross against his own name. And in that case, well, he can come to you, he can approach you.
yes,
That this is the
yes,
difficulty that I'm facing. This one is good.
yes,
Yeah, but it's difficult
yes.
to think of these ideas there and then, I mean, spontaneously.
Yeah, spontaneously I can't gather it. But later on, what I can say, what I can say, what I can say. Then I discover this idea. Yes, I can say this. I could ask the 2 minutes to the teacher. Let me give me 2 minutes. I let me gather my thought, or let me think over this situation. I can say like this. I think maybe I can crack that interview.
Actually, by asking such questions, they try to find out that this person has actually taught or not. The person who has had
Yes,
life
yes,
experience as a teacher will
yes,
know how to tackle
yes,
these situations. A person who is faking, a person who is a fake,
yes.
will not know how to tackle this situation because he has never
Yes,
been in such situations himself.
yes,
So this is a way to find out because these are real practical, I mean, these are real life questions.
yes.
And I think these questions are more important.
Even we, if
Yeah,
we are given any responsibility, we are also very happy. We have to do that task.
right, right. These are
And there
nice
is one
questions.
more technique. I want to mention one more technique, that is celebrate their little success.
Ah,
That matters a lot. If we
correct,
celebrate their little success, no matters however they small, but it will wonders.
correct, correct. So if in the whole project he has done just one step and then, left the
Yes,
project, even then you shouldn't
yes.
put a zero.
Remark.
Give him a zero.
Yes,
Instead of that, you should,
yes,
go to him and say that I have given you this much marks because you have done it so brilliantly and you could easily
yes,
do the other things also. So next time, try to complete the
yes,
whole project. Yeah, that is also a nice thing.
yes,
Yeah, like appreciation
yes,
makes a world of difference.
yes,
Children are,
yes. It works
children
for
are
everyone.
right, right. Children only
For
want love and
everyone. For us
appreciation,
also.
and you can make them do anything you want.
Yes.
So, Neelam, it was such a fun conversation, and I really enjoyed talking to you. And you are doing
Okay.
well. Just keep practicing a little more and practice interview questions, and then keep facing interviews. And one day you will be
Okay.
selected. Don't think that I will
Okay.
have to prepare more and more, then I will go and give interviews. Just keep giving interviews, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So all
And
the
what about my fluent? Yeah, English
best,
grammar and fluency.
your level is more, I mean, better than basic level. You are between basic and intermediate level, somewhere between these two levels. But listen to
Okay.
more content and speak more regularly, right? And
Okay.
yeah,
Yes.
start giving interviews. I mean, you should give one interview every week. That will give you a very good practice,
Okay.
right? So all the best. I hope you get a very good job.
Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for so much for your time and your valuable feedback. I
Thank you.
will
Thank you so
definitely
much.
consider that.
Yeah. Okay, then bye bye. Have a nice day.
Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.